how we take equity and diversity and actually fold that into our everyday work. I think the pandemic showed us that there were pockets of different groups that weren't getting the services they needed. And I think moving forward, when we are treating patients, making sure that everybody has that equal access to care. My name is Micheal Helle. I'm the Director of Clinical Programs here in the Office of Population Health. We break our programs basically down into two different domains. So very traditional complex care, and then we have our care at home program, which is community-based needs. Early February 2020, we realized fairly quickly that we were going to need to have some services to help support our primary care clinics in having a way that patients can have almost like a one-touch system if they were starting to have COVID-like symptoms. So the UCSF COVID hotline was created, and we ended up redeploying all of our population health staff and really started to think through how we were going to help manage this pandemic and scale it up very quickly. Our teams went from working a Monday through Friday job to working 7 days a week. As the pandemic went on and our occupational health colleagues started getting very, very overwhelmed, we then created the employee side of the COVID hotline. It was a one-touch service for them to get them to the appropriate level of care, help them get tested. Now we actually are triaging and helping people get access to care, even if they weren't a UCSF patient. So we opened it up to the community, and that's really helped, I think, with a lot of our equity groups that we wanted to target and focus. So to date, our COVID hotline has managed actually about 180,000 calls. Our patient triage side has triaged over 40,000 patients since the beginning of the pandemic. And our scheduling team, they have actually scheduled over 250,000 visits. I think the one thing being at UCSF is this sense of being collaborative in the sense of family. No matter if it's the pandemic or just regular everyday business, we all support each other. We're all here to be a team, and that's what sets us aside from everybody else.